be red.
I'm getting this on video.
Oh, there's a heart. You're gonna kill your battery.
I don't care. This is basically the whole reason why I brought it. So we could go all the way down to New London and watch these beauties, or what you would call it, fireworks.